Okay, make her, hold on, make her do it.
That's my bunny rabbit. That's my bunny rabbit. No, mine. You're not going over there to cost my bunny rabbit. Well, you go talk to your mama about it, because she ain't going to help you with that either. I know. You might as well just be quiet about it. No, it's mine. I said it's mine. It's my bunny rabbit. It's my bunny rabbit. Don't even think about it. Stop sniffing it.
See, get her to do it loud like you did earlier.
Oh, don't you mess my bunny rabbit. Don't you do it. Don't you do it, Mimi. That's my bunny rabbit.
Where's Dash?
In the house.
Okay, go ahead.
You gonna leave my bunny rabbit alone? You better leave my bunny rabbit alone. Is this conversation boring you? Huh? My bunny. It ain't changed. Watch out, you're going. That's mine. No, that's my bunny rabbit. No, it's mine. You better back up. You going in the house. You going in the house. Oh, don't even think about it, killer. That's my bunny rabbit. It's mine. I know you're bad. Tell Miss Linda how bad you are. That's my bunny rabbit. You ready to go get your bunny rabbit? Go get your bunny rabbit. Did you cuss that rabbit out?